This view shows the heat exchanger control panel and the C1 panel. This view shows the single point power junction box and the leaving water connection. At the bottom of this view, you can see the bypass pipe going back to the storage tank. You can see our piping connected to the return water connection to the heat exchanger, and the other two connections will be used for the comfort cooling in and out. In the foreground, you can see the 160-gallon storage tank. In the background at the bottom, you can see the chilled water pump motors, and above them, the mini feeder and the expansion tank. The video slides along the east face of the chiller and ends on the leaving water connection and the connection to the bypass. This still shot has a temperature sensor sitting on top of the insulated pipe. You can see the probe on the side of the piping. At the fitting next to the thermometer, we will provide an elbow to turn down, mount the balancing valve in the vertical position, and then an elbow connection to the balancing valve for the field connection underneath the chiller. This is a view of the lifting frame. The hole in the corner of the galvanized beam is the connection point for the seismic isolators. The hole in the light brown framing is the connection point for Unistrut that supports the bypass pipe. This is a view of the seismic isolators packed for shipment. In this view, you can see a washer and bolt for connecting to the lifting frame. There is only one bolt used for this connection. This is a view of the PVC dual basket strainer. There are two that are being provided, one to strain the comfort cooling loop and one the PCC loop. This view shows the flange connection adapter on the upper connection. There is another one that is not yet installed for the lower connection. In this view, the strainer is being removed.